Now, cases of common illnesses increase in Tuguegarao following the massive flooding due to Typhoon Ulysses. Nearly 70 families continue to stay in evacuation centers. Vivian Gulia reports live from Tuguegarao City. Hi, Viv. What's the latest?
Hi, Stanley. Well, while flood waters in most parts of Cagayan have receded, you can see here in Tagunon Road in Anafunan East that flooding remains until leg deep, and on the left side of this road you could see that residents say that flood waters are about chest level. That is why more than 60 families in this village are still staying in an evacuation center. Some residents struggle with fungal infection known as athlete's foot after repeatedly wading through flood waters. Tuguegarao City Health Officer Dr. James Guzman says they also saw a slight increase in the number of residents who developed upper respiratory diseases like cough and colds, as well as diarrhea. These, he says, are common during cold season and when supply of potable water becomes a challenge. But Guzman notes that the number of cases remain manageable. The City Health Office has a healthy supply of medicines for common illnesses, but it calls for donations of topical medicines for athlete's foot. Soap and laundry soap are also needed, Guzman says. But the bigger challenge, according to the city and provincial health office, is the increase in the number of COVID cases, which yesterday grew by 15 cases to a total of 133 active cases. Guzman noted that the city health office has already swabbed the family members and close contacts of those who tested positive. On Monday, the CHO will also begin COVID-19 mass testing in Tuguegarao. Despite flooding on the street, you can see residents wading through it, waiting for passing vehicles, carrying relief goods. They expressed concern that some barangays are receiving more than others. That is why Tuguegarao Mayor Jefferson Soriano appeals to private donors to coordinate distribution of relief goods so they can recommend areas that are receiving less donations. Stanley, back to you.
All right. Thanks a lot for the update. Stay safe. Vivian Gulia there from Tuguegarao City.